In this video, I'll be going over my mid-month income report for January 2024. This will be for Amazon KDP, YouTube, AdSense, and Etsy. So for January 2024, I actually did not run any ads for Amazon KDP. So moving on over to my orders, I sold a total of 96 units ordered for January 1st through 16th, 2024. And I'm pretty happy about this because I think this is trending upwards again, potentially. My highest orders day is January 6th during January 1st through 16th, 2024, and my lowest is January 5th, which I think is at 2. So it definitely has varied quite a bit. All of my sales have come from scrapbook paper and craft paper pads, except for one of them is a sketchbook type book. So before I move over to my royalties, I want to thank the sponsor for this video. So thank you to 100 Covers for sponsoring my YouTube video. And if you're trying to get covers done, but you're struggling or you want to have a professional do your own covers, then I highly recommend checking them out. They have this entire page full of lots of information about their business and their services. And this part here is just part of their portfolio. They have a lot more covers than just this, but these are just some examples that they have. And you can search through these. If you have any questions, you can reach out to them. They have been really great to talk to and work with so far. And they have the ebook pack as well as the print pack and the plus pack. And then it goes over how it works, what their customers are saying, and then you can order your packages now. So if you want to get started, but you're not entirely sure if you want to pay the whole price, I do have a discount code for you to use. So we'll just do the print pack. Oh, and they also have additional services down here. So children's book illustration, interior formatting, series design, and then all the frequently asked questions. And you can also get a custom quote. So let me select buy now. We'll just do the print pack for now. This code should work for all of the different packages. So if you just type in my name, Taylor, shouldn't matter if it's capital or not, should work either way. It should give you, I believe, 30% off your package. So instead of $200, it's $140, which can definitely help save you a good amount of money. So if you're interested in doing that, then I highly recommend using my coupon code and checking them out. So moving over to my royalties, I've made a total of $221.26 on KDP for January 1st through 16th, 2024. So it's a little bit more than halfway through the month since there are 31 days in January. Going to the bar chart view here, my highest day is the 6th with around $30, I believe. I'm not sure if I actually got to $30 and maybe 29 something. And lowest is January 5th, probably around $4, $4 or $5 or something like that. So it is varying, but that's okay. I'm really happy about this. I'm really hoping to get over $400 a month this month with KDP. I'm not entirely sure if I'll make that much, but we'll see. I have not published a book since, I don't think, August on KDP, and I don't run ads. So these are all organic sales, and I'm not having to do anything. I'm not running any advertisements. So basically, I log in to do the income reports, and I log in pretty much every day just to see what sales I'm making, but I'm not actively doing anything right now, and that's not completely because I don't want to. I do want to. I just have a lot on my plate right now, so this has kind of just has been put off for a little bit, but I am really hoping to get starting creating more books soon. I did a little bit of niche and keyword research for some other YouTube videos, at least one YouTube video that I think I may have published already. So I do have some niches and keywords that I want to get into and start creating books for. I just need to find the time and motivation to do that. And I am trying to work on my time management and trying to be more productive. So I am overall really happy with KDP so far for January. And then moving over to YouTube, I am at $115.91 for the same time frame, January 1st through 16th, 2024. I'm really happy about this. This is definitely an upward trend from the previous months. However, since I have sort of slowed my posting, the revenue is starting to go down, which makes sense. I was posting every single day for a while, and then I honestly just decided way too late to do that. Through the month, I decided with only maybe a week's notice or something like that, and I was not able to maintain it for January. But I have posted a lot more videos than I have in previous months. And looking at my views, 12.4K views, 512.7 watch time hours, 124 subscribers, and $115.91 in revenue, with my highest day so far being the second at $14.62 and the lowest $3.34. So ideally, I'd like to get my online income between KDP and YouTube to $1,000 a month just with them. So around $500 a month each. That's kind of one of my next current goals. With KDP, I have made over $500 a month before, so I'd love to beat that. And with YouTube, I've made over $200 a month, I believe, on YouTube. I'm gonna have to double check that. So I would like to beat that record as well, and then just keep getting more income. I'll go to the revenue tab really quick, and yeah, right here. So I think this is my highest month potentially, September at $249.48. So December was at 160.66, and January, this is where I'm currently at. I'm recording this video on January 26, 2024. So I'm really hoping to at least have more income than December, but we'll see. Average RPM, $11.54, and then this says 10K views. Top earning content is a realistic first year of Amazon KDP, and then my income report for December, which typically my income report videos, the full income report videos, tend to make quite a bit. And then resize, how I made over $5,000, Amazon KDP, and how to create a budget planner using Canva. I'm a little surprised that one's up there, but I think the RPM and CPM on it is pretty high for some reason, so that's pretty cool. This goes over how I'm earning the money, and I think I also made money through YouTube Premium somehow as well. And then moving on over to Etsy. For Etsy, I had a total of 20 visits and no orders and no sales so far, but that's okay. I haven't posted anything new on Etsy in a while, and I really don't monitor it much except to just make sure my listings are active. I currently have 5 active digital listings. Sometimes I make orders in the month and sometimes I don't, but I don't run any advertisements or anything like that, and I still consider myself pretty much a beginner when it comes to Etsy. This is another platform that I do really want to start getting more consistent with and posting more. Again, I'm trying to figure out my time management and how I want to do all of that. But either way, at least I'm getting visits, so that's cool, and it's not costing me any money since I do still have some free Etsy listings, so I'm renewing with those, which is pretty cool. And then also, I don't have any shipping costs or anything like that since they're all digital downloads. So I hope this video was helpful and I hope it was inspiring. I'd love to know how January is going so far for you. And I greatly appreciate your support. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I hope that you have a great day.